Yes, that is annoying. So we got our laundry done. We have just one load to do, you know, at normal Pilot Line J's, but basically half capacity, you know, small size washer dryers. So I had to do 2 loads. Stonington Pilot. They got a pool table. They got a massage place, massage chair. They got a little movie theater here. Showers, laundry, convenience store, you know, all your typical stuff. But now we're going to go back to the truck, take all the stuff out the bag. Probably make ourselves a grilled cheese sandwich for some lunch. And try to enjoy the rest of the day off here. Yeah. So basically in a couple hours we're going to finish our 34. And then tomorrow morning about 6:30 we'll roll out of here approximately. Get over there as early as I can. So I just spent almost 2 hours in there getting our laundry done. Sun's already low in the sky, as you can see by the long shadows here. We got another video uploaded right now, so a little bit of a few things accomplished. You know, got trash thrown away, got a little organization done, got laundry done. Yeah. I'll be dropping stuff here. So really not a popular place to park. Find the old keys. There we are. Yeah. See you.